Are you a mom who dreams of being able to make an income online, but feels stuck because everything seems so complicated or risky? Maybe you're terrified to take a step forward because you're terrified that you may end up in an even worse financial situation. Or perhaps you feel guilty about spending time away from your kids, but feel like quitting your job is impossible. If this sounds like you, then stick around because today I'm breaking down how you can start a simple, doable online business that doesn't take all your time. By the end of this video, you're going to learn of a system designed specifically for busy parents just like you. A system that's easy to follow, doesn't require tech skills or a huge investment, and gives you back time so you can spend with your family and earning a consistent income online. I help busy parents create flexible online businesses so that it works around their family and it doesn't take all their time. I've been where you are, searching for a way to make money online without taking time away from my family to do it. I've experienced the fear, the overwhelm, and the guilt. But now I've found a solution and I'm here to share it with you by sharing some of the common concerns you might have. If you're ready to explore this opportunity, go ahead and comment "Ready for Freedom" down below, and I will personally send you the link to the guide to show you exactly how this done for you system works. The first common concern I want to go over is I'm terrified to take the leap because if I don't succeed, I will be in a worse financial situation. This fear is so real, and I get it. No one wants to feel like they're taking on a huge risk, especially when money is already tight. That's why this program is designed to minimize the risk you take. You're not diving into something that's untested and unknown. Instead, you're tapping into a booming e-learning industry. It's a $1 billion a day market with a high demand product. What makes this different is it's a one-time, low-cost investment with no monthly fees. Plus, the system you use is fully automated, giving you the time to spend with your kids while it's working for you in the background 24/7. This means you won't be spending endless hours trying to figure it out. This isn't about gambling with your finances. It's about using a proven method that has already worked for so many busy parents just like you. And the best part, you don't do it alone. The program comes with training, mentorship, and a community that is there to help you every step of the way. The second concern I want to go over is I feel so guilty about not spending more time with my kids, but quitting my job feels impossible. Mom guilt is such a heavy burden, isn't it? You want to be there for your kids, the milestones, to help them with their school homework, and to tuck them in at night. But bills don't pay themselves, right? What if I told you you don't have to choose between providing for your family and being present for them? This program is designed for busy parents who only have a couple hours every day to dedicate to work. It's not about burning yourself out, it's about working smarter. Imagine waking up and spending time with your family, knowing that your business is working in the background. It's a way to reclaim your time while still providing financially for your family. This isn't just about making money, it's about getting your time back so that you can spend time with your family creating the memories. And concern number 3, is there a way to make money online without constantly being on social media? Yes, there absolutely is. While social media is a big tool in online marketing, it's not the only way you can make this business work. The system you'll use is built around automation. That means the website and the proven sales process handle inquiries, follow-ups, and even payments for you. Of course, you'll need to do some online marketing, but that doesn't mean you're glued to your phone or computer and constantly posting online. The training provided will teach you how to attract your perfect customer to you so that you're not always online. This is about building a business that fits into your life, not taking it over. Common concern number 4 is I see moms making it work online, but it seems like they have some secret I don't know about. I used to feel the same way, like see these moms and think, oh, they must have some special skills or special knowledge that I don't know anything about. But here's the truth. There's no secret. They just plugged into a system that works. This program is specifically designed for busy parents who don't have any experience or following. You'll get step-by-step tutorials, live trainings by 6 and 7-figure earners, and an incredibly supportive community. Everything you need is already built into the program, and all you have to do is follow the steps. It's not about being special. It's about plugging into a system that works. Common concern number 5. I'm looking for something simple and doable that I can fit into my busy schedule, but everything seems so complicated. I hear this all the time. Everything seems so complicated. And honestly, most online opportunities are. But this program simplifies everything. You don't need tech skills or business experience to get started. You'll have access to a done-for-you system, a proven sales process, and step-by-step guide to help you every step of the way. You only need about 2 to 3 focused hours a day to make this business work. It's built for busy parents who are already juggling work and family time. It's not about doing more, it's about working smarter. Common concern number 6. I want to be able to earn money online, but I'm afraid I don't have the right skills or experience. And this is a fear I hear from many busy parents. And let me tell you, you're not alone. Most of us don't start this business with skills or experience, but that's exactly why this program works. It's designed for busy parents in mind, offering step-by-step training to teach you everything you need to know. You'll learn as you go, building confidence every step of the way. Plus, you'll have access to mentors who have been where you are and a supportive community to help guide you. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be willing to take the first step. If you're ready to dive in and start your online business journey, I have a full blueprint designed specifically for busy parents. Check the link in the description below for the step-by-step guide on how you can create a done-for-you business while spending more time with your kids. Common concern number 7. How do I even get started with an online business when I don't know what to sell? Figuring out what to sell can be the biggest obstacle. But here's the good news. You don't have to figure it out on your own. This program connects you with a high demand product in the booming e-learning industry. It's a $1 billion a day market. You'll be reselling a product with master resale rights, earning 100% profit. There's no need to brainstorm, create, or test an unproven product. It's already proven to sell. Your focus is on sharing the product with the system provided. And with the training, you'll be fully equipped to do that. Common concern number 8. I would love to start something online, but I don't feel like I'm tech savvy enough. If the idea of technology makes you nervous, don't worry. You're not alone. This program is specifically designed for people who don't have tech skills. You'll receive easy to follow tutorials that guide you step by step, every step of the way, from setting up your automated system to learning the sales process. And if you ever feel stuck, the community and mentors are there to help you. It's about breaking down the steps into small, manageable steps so you don't feel overwhelmed. Common concern number 9. Every time I think about starting an online business, I worry that I'll fail and waste the little time and energy I have. Let's address the fear of failure because it's something we all go through when we start stepping out of our comfort zone. But here's the thing. It's not about risking it all on some wild idea. This program is a proven system that's already helped thousands of parents just like you succeed. You'll have everything you need to get started, training, tools, and support. Plus, the business is designed to fit into your busy life. With just 2 to 3 hours a day, you can see results. This isn't about hustling endlessly. It's about working smarter and more efficient. Common concern number 10. It seems like all the successful people have large followings. How can I compete with that when I'm just starting out? It might seem like success is reserved for those with thousands of followers, but let me tell you that's not true. This program doesn't rely on having a huge social media following. Instead, it focuses on leveraging a proven sales process and automated system to attract the perfect customers to you. You'll learn marketing strategies for beginners, and you'll have tools in place that do the heavy lifting for you. Remember, every successful person started at zero, and today could be your starting point. Common concern number 11. I wish someone could just guide me through the process without all the confusing jargon and upsells. I know how overwhelming that could feel to be hit with the jargons, upsells, and unclear instructions. That's why this program is different. You'll receive clear, step by step guidance from mentors who want to see you succeed. The training is easy to follow, and there's no need to worry about upsells and hidden fees. You're getting everything you need up front, including a community of like minded people who are there to cheer you on. It's a straightforward, no nonsense approach to building your business. Common concern number 12. I'm so done with my 9 to 5, but I don't know if I can make money online consistently. Feeling trapped in a 9 to 5 and doubting whether online income is possible for you is a struggle many of us face. But let me reassure you, it is possible and it's more consistent than you think. The system offers multiple income streams, creating a stable foundation for consistent earning. Plus, the booming e-learning industry means there's no shortage of customers who are looking for the service product you're providing. With daily pay opportunities, you can finally break free from the 9 to 5 grind and start building the life you deserve. If this sounds like the kind of freedom you're looking for, click the link in the description for the step-by-step blueprint. This may or may not be the opportunity you've been dreaming about, praying for, but it doesn't hurt to check it out and see. And remember, you've got this. Don't forget to like this video and check out the next video that's popping up on your screen. And let's make this dream of yours a reality. Thanks for watching.